Today's story na chapter 10 now we go talk about. And the topic now, Wen God Test Abraham. After some time, God come say he want test Abraham to see whether he get better faith and to see whether he go obey am finish. Now him God come call am. He come say, Abraham, Abraham. Abraham come answer say, he dey here. When God come hear am, he come say, you see this your only pikin wey you get so, the one wey you love well well. I wan make you carry am go top of mountain where I go show you. Then you will come sacrifice am to me with fire as offering. Abraham no just argue at all. The next morning, he come carry load, put for a donkey. He come carry 2 house boys. Now he come carry pikin Isaac. He come also carry wood for the fire. They come start to the waka, they go the mountain where God tell them, say make them they go. 3 days later, them still they travel, they go this mountain. When they come reach the bottom of the mountain, then Abraham come say, make him 2 house boys them, make them wait for you. Say him and he pikin Isaac, na him go waka, go the top of the mountain for the sacrifice. Now so he come carry the wood, put for Isaac back, carry the fire and the knife we need for the sacrifice. Him and the boy come begin to climb the mountain, they go the top. As them they waka they go, Isaac come look him papa. He come say, Pale, I beg wait oh. He get question where I want ask you. The papa come say, make it they ask they go. Then Isaac come say, we get wood, we get fire, we even get knife. Where the sheep where we want go sacrifice? Abraham come answer say, make it no worry. Say God will provide the sheep for the sacrifice. Isaac will come talk again. They come continue the waka, they go. When them come reach the top of the mountain where God tell them make them go, Abraham come arrange stone, take build altar for the sacrifice. He come arrange wood where he go carry, put on top. Then he come carry him own pikin, Isaac. He tie him hand and leg, carry him put on top of the wood. As he carry knife, begin one killing pikin. Now him angel just shout from heaven say, Abraham, I beg stop! Don't kill that pikin. God don't know say you get better mind to serve him. So you ready to kill your own pikin for him. He can't say, make he look near the bush with the ram so say go see ram for there. Make he carry the ram, sacrifice him instead. Now Abraham come out the pikin quick from the wood, carry the ram wait there for the bush, use him, take to sacrifice instead of him pikin. God can't tell Abraham say, because of waiting he do so we go obey him so he won't kill him own pikin for him. Say go bless him well. The kind of blessing we go get not be small one no. The blessing go flow from all in pikin, go reach everybody waiting for this head so. When God don't talk finish, Abraham come carry himself and him pikin. They come start to the waka, they go meet in 2 house boy where they live for the bottom of the mountain. Now all of them come start to the waka, they go house. Now so the story come to end though. Hope you enjoy the story. Now thank you.